Hey, welcome back to Prairie Wings Performance. I'm Merl Mayer, and I have a guest today. This is George Evans. He lives a couple hours from here, and he brought his really cool Ford down actually today to drop the topper off. He actually gave it to my daughter, which is awesome. So thank you so much
Yeah,
for
that's
that.
good.
So tell me a little bit about your Ford. What did you, why'd you pick a Ford, and why this one?
Well, we got lots of Chevys, but this Ford was like when I was a kid when I was 16, I had this exact truck, and except for the green was the paint scheme was flipped over. It was dark green with lime green instead of the opposite, and it was a two-wheel drive with the 390. And this one, a friend of mine had it and it came up for sale. I always liked the four-wheel drive, so I said I'm going to buy it. It had a 460 in it, and it had all the right stuff, so we picked it up, and here we are. Just had to get that canopy off.
Absolutely. George doesn't like canopies. I do. So let's take a look at it. So how big a lift kit does it got in it?
It was a 6-inch lift kit in it, 35-inch tires. I did actually run into a guy's funny story. Um, I was sitting in the Tim Hortons, and a guy comes wandering in, and he says, "Who has the green truck out there?" And he goes, "That was my truck. I built that truck." So he sat down, had a nice visit with me, and it used to be a 3/4 ton. He lifted the body off and put it on top of a 77 half-ton four-wheel drive, and then put the 460 in it afterwards with a C6. And so I got lots of good information from him. It was good to talk with him. I got his phone number for questions too.
Nice. Well, it's pretty cool to find an original paint truck like this. It's only got one rust spot. That's real, might need some work, but
Yeah.
what's your future plans with this?
Well, I'm going home after this now, and I'm going to polish wheels, and I want to polish up the paint, not like perfect, but just kind of roll a wheel over it and just try to make it look, when it's going down the street, it looks like, not like an old wreck, but just look half decent.
It looks half decent the way it is.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. You probably get lots of people at the gas station wanting to talk
Oh
to you.
yeah, yeah. A lot of people like this style. Like I was shocked when I bought it. How many people like nice truck, right? So
Absolutely. What's the interior like?
the interior, I actually have a seat at home. That's the original seat. This was out of something else, but it's got a kind of a tear in here, the original one, so I have to fix it. But it's the dark green original with the little square emblems, the Ford emblems in it. So I just want to fix the edge of it and put it back in. And yeah, it doesn't have air conditioning or anything like that. It's just your old truck. Roll down the windows and go.
Perfect. Perfect. 260 air conditioning. Actually, this is 360.
Yeah, there
It's
you
got
go.
a rear slider in
Oh
it.
yeah, that's high end.
High end, absolutely.
Yeah.
No, looks great. Well, let's pop the hood and take a look underneath there if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure. And I don't know much about this other than it's a 460, and I believe it's stock. It was rebuilt, and it's got a few oil leaks. I'm trying to see if they'll work themselves out after a little bit of driving. So I drove down here. It was an hour and a half, and I don't know. It leaks a little bit once in a while, and I'm hoping maybe that seal will seal up, right?
Nice.
So
Little
need to wash here too, it looks like.
Yeah.
But I was going to wash under the hood, except for I was scared it wouldn't start again the day I was there. So I was just like, I'll do that on a different day.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, this is amazingly clean. There's just no big rust in the inner fenders, nothing. This truck has got awesome bones.
Yeah, it seems to be good. Like that one rust spot, I'd like to clean that up. And if you look closely, I think there's like a spot inside the box on an edge and stuff, but it's generally pretty straight. But it's been used. The box has got some dents and stuff, so we'll try to get a few of those out with the paintless dent guys, and see how that goes.
Perfect. Well, I really appreciate you letting us do a video on this truck and showing it to us. And yeah, thanks again for the topper.
Oh, I'm so happy to have it off. I'll be going home going, I can see out the back window. It's amazing. I'll be so excited.
It did look pretty good with the topper on it, though, I do have to say. It's a neat Ford topper. We'll throw a picture on here. Yeah. Well, George, I think you have a really nice truck here.
He's a beast.
It is a beast. It rides amazingly well. And yeah, I think it is really sweet. It's a nice original truck. You wouldn't have to do another thing to this truck and I would drive it every day. She's pretty sweet. We did a tiny little bit of tweaking on the kickdown linkage to make this thing actually work a little better. It'll also be more reliable. And let us know in the comments what you think about not having the topper on it. I think it's cool both ways. And thanks for checking the channel out. And please like, share, and subscribe.